I want y'all to look real quick. Look down there. Y'all see the dumpsters, right? The truck coming up now. Look. They've already got our dumpsters. Oh, they already got a roll-off over there too, active. I've seen this company before. Well, y'all, say bye-bye to BCS. That's it for BCS. Yep. They gone. They're gone. But I will say, let's just hope these new trash cans don't get burnt up like the BCS ones. Oh, come on, focus. There's the BCS dumpster, one of them. Here's a better shot of the dumpster. They just put one in our parking lot. Brand new 8-yard. Like I said, I've already seen this company dumpsters before in a different apartment complex, and I've actually seen one of their trucks on the road, but I never got the chance to film it at the time. But looks like now I'll be able to film it. And guys, I just want to say, I knew eventually that BCS was gonna, Waste Connections was gonna lose this apartment complex, but I just didn't think it was gonna be literally today, after I just recorded the truck this morning. So guys, I just want to say, farewell BCS. I'm gonna miss seeing their trucks. I would go down there, but I don't want to get too close. I don't want them thinking that I'm trying to do something to the dumpsters. Okay, they're bringing this one to my parking lot. Also, to another thing, I remember saying that I wanted to catch. I remember saying that I wanted to catch one of these trucks one day. And guess what? Today happened to be that day. I was actually taking a nap. I was actually taking a nap in the middle of my nap. So I didn't see when they brought the trailers here. I just heard all the commotion. I heard banging or whatever was going on. So that's when I looked out and I saw this truck coming up the road taking the dumpsters. So I immediately grabbed my phone and said, oh yeah, I got to get this on camera. So yeah, y'all, I guess you could say that's it for BCS. I mean, I think I still got a couple of videos that I have not posted yet. I'll have to see. My storage is about to run out, so I'm gonna have to cut the video short. But yeah, give y'all one last look, and I'll give y'all one last look of him picking up another can from off the trailer, and then that's gonna do it. Give y'all one more look of that.